Vehicles cleared the tower. Getting good first stage performance. That Soyuz delivering about 930,000 pounds of thrust from those 4 strap-on engines in the core. Getting good performance calls, nominal or normal so far for the first stage, continuing to operate well. Again, a pretty clear day there in Baikonur, so getting great views of the rocket as it flies across the Kazakh sky.
And roll pitch your nominal. The crew is feeling good. Copy, Olympic.
So already 70 seconds since liftoff. The vehicle already moving at over 1,100 miles an hour. And continuing to get those good performance calls. You'll hear yaw, pitch, and roll, basically the orientation of the rocket. Want to hear nominal, and that's what we're hearing. Everything going well with the Soyuz so far. On board, you can see the crew members still doing well. Again, if you go to your Chicken on the bottom there, and then NASA's Jack Fisher on the top.